This is the TBL Series, an ultra-rugged inductive proximity sensor built for harsh industrial environments. Beside machines splashing with coolant, constant oil exposure quickly degrades standard sensors. They crack, leak, malfunction, or even burn out. But TBL is different. Featuring Meiji ASIC and a triple protection design, it delivers unmatched stability. Resists corrosive oil mist. Rated up to IP69K, survives high-pressure washdowns. Maintains millisecond-level response even under extreme vibration. 360 degrees visual LED indicators. See status clearly in dark areas. Inside scorching tunnel ovens, TBL withstands high heat, thermal shock, dust, vibration, and heavy loads. In freezing winters, TBL ensures smooth operation of outdoor automated parking systems, reliably detecting vehicles and triggering gates instantly. I/O link enabled for smarter integration. NPN and PNP is switchable. One universal series simplifies selection and inventory. Multiple models for diverse needs. Need a proximity sensor that conquers tough conditions? TBL is your ultimate choice.